here. Evan, up here. Luke, over here. Hello, children. We are professors, sort of. Now,
That's right.
what we just did there was demonstration of some guy a long time ago who was, I'm guessing, sitting by a tree and an apple fell on the ground. Then he figured of, gravity. I mean, so you lost, you made it. Well, what we did this year, is we demonstrated the second law. The definition of the second law is this is the second law. The acceleration of an object depends on the mass of the object and the net force applied. Two guys pushing this cart, we have the equal net force. I know we may have looked like we were trying to, pull like that to keep the car from moving, but that happens. And a guy pushing a chair will have less net force, but if he used the same net force that we're using here, his chair is going to move faster. And the equation, force divided by mass equals acceleration. Luke, take force.
Well, what a force is a push or pull. So, push this, and move. This, and move. So, that is force.
Evan, wake up.
A force is a push.
All about mass.
An object's mass is the amount of matter that makes up an object.
Yes, quite right, Evan. Try to stay awake. Acceleration, here is the definition. Acceleration is the rate at which velocity changes. So, Luke, please define velocity.
Velocity is the speed of an object in a particular direction. So, if you're turning, velocity is different, because it's different from speed, because speed is in a straight direction.
But in order to,
Any direction.
say your velocity, you have to have your direction, like north, south, east, west, in between, west and east.
West.
Another way to say speed is speed equals distance over time. Luke, take forth.
Yeah. Or speed also, you can find it like miles per hour. It's like
Exactly.
miles. If you're traveling 60 miles an hour, you have 60 miles in 1 hour. Yeah.
Now, I went into a time machine and drew this portrait of Isaac Newton. Evan, I thought we said get rid of the mustache.
Well, he had a mustache.
Well, maybe, yes, maybe he shaved it off. Yeah. But we think that Luke will look like Isaac Newton in a couple years.
Yep.
But that is besides the point.
I think we should now do the demonstration again with the cart and the chair and explain exactly what we're doing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Do it again.
Ready? Okay.
And then, since. Whoa.
Oh, I think we hit stuff.
Then,
I'm fat.
the chair moves quicker because the second law of motion, which is the acceleration of an object depends on the mass of the object and the net force applied. And the net force would be like how we're pushing it.
Yes.
Yeah. Like when we're pushing it.
And I guess that concludes our presentation, but just as a reminder, Isaac Newton, he had a mustache.